podcast with our new period 2025-2026, and today we have podcast with our head and vice ISC Junior Ahmad. Hi there, ISC Junior Ahmad in the making. Welcome to our ISC GHS podcast. So I'm Zianka Inaya as a host for today, and here there's our special guest from head and also vice ISC. Hello Kiana and Azza, maybe you guys can introduce yourself first, guys.
Hello all, my name is Kiana Zaraskia and you can call me Kiana. I'm from 9th grade and in this organization, I was the president of ISC Junior in the period of 2025 to 2026. Nice to meet you.
And hello all, my name is Aishizaida Radiyadi and I was from 8A. In this organization, I was the vice leader of ISC Junior period 2025 to 2026. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too, Kiana and Azza. So today in our new episode, we're gonna talk about our new topic. And today we'll talk about self-confidence. Cause I want to know how come they can be so brave to be head and also vice of ISC Junior Ahmad. So I have a question for you all. Of course, for being a leader, you need self-confidence. But there are some people who find it difficult to build self-confidence, whether due to past trauma or insufficient skills. I want to hear your tips for building self-confidence so that we can all improve our self-confidence.
Okay, so developing self-confidence is not easy, especially everyone has different backgrounds and also the way to build self-confidence. And we also have negative side, right? Of course. So here some tips from me. First, develop a positive mindset. Because beautiful things begins with beautiful mindset, right?
Right.
So, at the first, please never say, I'll never be as good as her. But rather, I will definitely be great in my own way. Second, celebrate small things, even though it's just making a small proposal, or you make this background, or you after make a small painting. It's really good to appreciate yourself and make yourself respected. Then, the next important and the most important thing is accept yourself. No matter how your circumstances are, you must accept yourself and believe that you can grow and improve even more. Those are a few tips from me, and keep up the spirit, guys.
Wow, such an amazing tips, guys. Then I would like to hear from Azza.
Alright, as Kiana mentioned before, developing self-confidence is not easy. And the key is to accept yourself and shine with who you are. I will share some tips with all of you. First, and equally important is to do what you love. Yes, shine in your own way by doing something that you like, drawing, writing, or much more. And we can improve our skills and become more confident. Next, the second one, the environment is just as important as accept yourself. Don't forget to find a positive friends who support each other because we also need support system from our friends. And lastly, you can ask your closest friends for feedback to help you grow even more. And that's all from me. Stay motivated and never give up.
MashaAllah, those are great tips. Thank you, girls, for your amazing tips. And for the second question is during your time as a leader, have you guys ever felt insecure? And how did you guys solve it?
Yes, of course. I felt the way before, especially before the election. I wasn't confident because I felt like it was impossible for me. But as time went by, my confidence grew little by little. Even though it's not perfect, I will keep moving forward and gain more confidence.
Oh, wow, MashaAllah. And what about Kiana?
Okay. I used to feel inferior too, but I learned many things over time, and my confidence grew. I will learn and more and move forward, become a great leader. Inshallah.
MashaAllah. But what difficult thing that you ever passed when you being a leader?
Oh, okay. For the difficult that I ever facing as the leader of ISC is about time management and also emotional control. You know, sometimes we cannot handle it if you're getting a burnout like you should do this, you should do this, you should do this. So the tips from me is do little by little. Don't make yourself stress out, and also appreciate. And also, maybe you can buy ice cream in canteen, or eat, or even just take a breath. Take a breath is also one of the things that I like to do after I do small things. Like for example, I after making a template of LPJ, and I like to buy ice cream, or I just take rest and sleep.
How about Azza? Is it same?
Yes, time management is the challenge that I have. Like I need to focus to one thing before I do the other task, and it's kind of hard because we have so many tasks to do, and I learned to take time management.
Okay. Thank you so much for your amazing answer. So guys, maybe that's all from our new episode of podcast. Thank you for hearing our ISC JHS podcast. See you in our next episode of podcast. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you all.